Welcome back to a quick tech overview. Today we're going to be going over how to join a Zoom meeting and how to host a Zoom meeting. Right here I have a link sent to me via email of a Zoom meeting. All you have to do is click the link, or if you don't have internet connection, then you can call via these numbers. By clicking the link, it will take you from the link to the app itself. It's always a good idea to join the meeting 5 to 10 minutes before scheduled time, just in case your internet connection is slow, you need to test your speaker and microphone, or perhaps your camera is not working properly. I know that my speaker is working functionally, therefore I'm just going to join with my computer audio, but if you have time before the meeting and you want to test, this is the button you'll select. Here you can see that no one can see me and I can see no one else. Therefore what we need to do is we need to click Start Video, and now everyone will be able to see me. If you are in a meeting with another person, you will be able to see them here where you can see me now, and you will see yourself up on the top of the screen in a little box. If there's multiple different people in the meeting, then the individual who is speaking will be on the large screen, and each of the other participants will be in small boxes at the top. Now, I want to show you all these cool tools that you can use at the bottom, but I'm going to show you how to use it from the host side. It's exactly the same, but it's important to know how to run these things from both the joiner and from the host. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to end. And how you start a meeting is by going over to the app. And if you have a scheduled meeting, it will show up right here. I don't have one at the moment, so I'm just going to start a meeting. If you do have a scheduled meeting, it will just give you the option to start when that meeting is actually scheduled. Again, it gives us the same option to join with computer audio or test our speaker and microphone. And we are unable to see anyone, and everyone else is unable to see us. Therefore, we will need to share our video. Now everyone can see me, and it's going to be the exact same as if you joined the meeting. Now, allow me to show you a few of these cool tools at the bottom. Right here you have the mute button. If you are in a meeting with multiple different people, if there is a main speaker, or if you are interviewing someone and it's their turn to speak, the polite thing is to mute your audio so that any background noise will not interfere with their ability to speak. Because I'm the only person right now on this meeting, the app will not allow me to mute, but this is the button that you would use. Another thing that I wanted to show you is the chat over here. If you are in a meeting and there are 3 main agendas, 3 questions that you need to answer, you can jot them down right here and send them to everyone so that everyone is on the same page, they know exactly what needs to be covered. Or you can select which person you want to send a message to and send it to them specifically. This is a great way to share links if there's a particular website that people need to look up or a video that could be helpful. And if you have questions that need to be asked to the main speaker without interrupting them, you can put it right here, and when they have a moment to stop, they can look over it and answer your questions. Another thing I wanted to show you is the recording. I use this especially when I am in a meeting or when I'm interviewing someone, because I want to make sure that I can give my full focus to the people that I'm speaking to. Therefore, I record and take notes later instead of having to take notes while I'm speaking to them. You simply push the record button. It gives you the option to pause or to stop. Once you have stopped this recording, it will be saved onto your Zoom app and to your computer. Right here it says that the file will be saved, and I will be able to look at it at a later date. Another thing I wanted to show you is how to invite people. Since you are the host, it's important to be able to get everyone who needs to the meeting. There's a couple ways you can do this. One, you can copy the URL and you can send that via text, email, Slack, whatever form of communication you are using. Also, you can come over here and select whichever email form you use. I use Gmail, and let me show you what that will look like. Once I click this, it will bring up my email. Right here you can see, here is the Zoom link. This is the exact same Zoom link as we clicked on over here. Once you send this to whoever is in the meeting with you, they will be able to click on it and join you, or they can call in via these numbers. The last thing I want to show you from the host side is how to share your screen. As you can see, I've already shown you how to speak to them where they see your face, but sometimes you want to show them what's on your own screen. What you're going to do is you're going to click the share button and it gives you these options. I'm going to show you these two because I'm filming on my laptop and therefore these two are irrelevant, but if you're doing it via phone, then these will also be helpful for you. The desktop, once you click it and push share, will allow your audience to see everything that is in the green square. Everything here. So I could pull up a website, I could give an example, watch a video. This is how we can communicate by sharing our screen. All you have to do is push stop share and it brings you back to this original page. Also, you can share a whiteboard. There's lots of fun things that you can do here. You can add a text. You can change the color. You can add a shape. You can check things off. You can say, hey, this is important. Focus on this. You've got your eraser, you've got a spotlight, and if ever you do anything wrong, you can just undo it. Simple, easy, pretty simple to use. Again, all you have to do is push stop share, and it brings you back to the option to show everyone your face again. I hope that this was helpful. I hope that you can better understand and better navigate Zoom, whether you are joining a meeting or hosting it. As always, if you have any suggestions on how I can improve how I use my tech programs, please give me a shout out. And if this was helpful, I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. You guys keep being awesome.